ACI Wraps.
What's going on, guy?
What's up, Mike?
So we got here a new color from KPMF called Matte Dark Storm Gray.
Okay.
So they came out 3 other colors or 4 other colors, and they needed someone to promote this one, and they reached out to us. So luckily enough, your girlfriend has a nice, beautiful BMW here,
We got it right here.
and we're gonna wrap it in their new color.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's really cool, actually.
Awesome. It is a really cool
Yeah,
color.
it's different. I mean, it's got like a battleship gray feel to it, and it's also got like that primer feel to it, but just
Yeah.
it's just different. It looks cool.
It
looks
does.
Nice, especially
It's
with
like-
the body lines.
It's a mix with Nardo, with like satin, with like, I don't know, there's a lot going on. And it
Yeah.
seems like the color changes on it too, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really neat. So
Sweet. Let's
Get
get
to
to it. Well, Mike,
what do you mean?
first,
You didn't tell me we're doing a video. This is not how this works.
first he's just laying down.
We're
How
gonna
you
start with the
feeling?
hood. Good. I'm a little tired. My hands are a little.
Well, dude, you've been banging out
I
work
know,
this week. I'm
I
not gonna
know.
lie.
Yeah. We got 2 done. Got to get this one done. The C8 done. A Tesla done. Chrome delete on a Q7 done.
Yep.
And then whatever else comes in my way.
Well, let's get the hood down.
Dude, this color is so nice.
I gotta see it.
Yeah, it's really nice. Dude, this looks so clean. KPMF, you killed it.
Mike, we're all finished up, man.
Finally done. It's only been like almost a month.
That's all right,
So
though.
long story short, KPMF was looking for somebody to have him use one of the new colors. I think it was called Dark Storm, Matte Dark Storm.
Yeah.
And they reached out to us and said, hey guys, you guys use our material a lot. You know, we like what you do. If you guys have a car we can do, we'll send you guys a free roll. And yeah. So luckily enough, Tyler's girlfriend has this beautiful BMW.
Yeah.
And went from white to this Dark Storm.
It looks incredible, dude. Outside, it's like a completely different color.
So it's almost like a primer gray or a nardo gray like anything else, but
Right.
it's got like a metallic in it or a pearl in it.
Right.
That kind of just gives it a little more sheen. You can definitely see like the way the body lines pop in certain angles, how it changes.
Yep.
But gorgeous, gorgeous color.
It looks awesome, dude.
Super underrated.
Definitely.
Beautiful.